So guys, how are you all? Hope you are all doing well. After a long time, I'm back to my channel. Today I'm going to unboxing Momax 360 camera Tripod Hero. I have used lots of tripods, but I think I have to be better one. So let's start. Before that, if you're still not subscribed to my channel, please click on subscribe button, then click on bell icon and be connected. So guys, this is Momax Tripod. Let's read before unboxing. Go live everywhere. Tripod Hero, lightweight, portable shooting partner. Momax Cam, free download, touchless technology for gesture shooting. Available on application store, Google Play Store and App Store. We can download application from Android Play Store, or if you're using iPhone then you can install from application store. Okay. So next Momax Match 360 camera, same, fit for most entry-level cameras, camcorder with for one screen. It will be fit on different types of cameras. Okay, so then center column detachable leg monopod, 90 degrees swivel head, full size 143 cm. Full size is 143 cm. It is big. And the center column selfie mode. We can use for selfie mode also. Okay. So full size 55 cm. If you are using selfie mode, then it will be reduced. The size will be reduced. Then size will be 55 cm. And stable and steady, support entry DSLR, version digital cameras and smartwatch. It will support different types of cameras. I mean digital camera and smartphone. Extendable up to 140 cm. Yeah, 143 total, but it can, if you are putting like this, then we can use extendable up to 140 cm. Twisting leg lock. There is a leg lock also available in the bottom. Okay, so fast setup and optimal storage, leg angle sliding lock, reverse folding design, 3% leg angle adjustment, portable including phone mount and carrying bag. We can use in different types, and also available mount carrying bag also available. Okay, let's open the box. So guys, this is the box and the covers. Let's see what is inside. Oh my god, it's very cool. There's something. Let's check. I don't know what it is. Yeah, this is camera stand. Okay, and it will be here. I get something. This is too tight and fit. This is iPod, some battery pack. From Momax brand, so they have lots of products. Okay, this is some instruction manual, how to use phone mount, screws, with what it is inside and how to use is written in the instruction manual. Okay, let's see how can use. Oh my god. zoom in and zoom out. Okay. Shoot in different angles, okay? Twist right. Okay. Then it is there. Same. I have to do this one, okay? This side, and this also this side. So same. So then it comes. If I want to make selfie stick, then I can use this part of it. So friends, this is an amazing flexible high quality tripod. If I want to shoot in different angle, I can shoot from this tripod, and you know, whatever we want to do, we can do from this tripod. If I want to share legs up, legs down, and in different angle, and if we want to shoot from digital camera, DSLR, smartphone, whatever we can use from this tripod. And I love selfie, and selfie stick also made from this tripod. So hope you are enjoying this video. We'll see you in next video. Okay, bye bye.